If you have difficulty getting a good stand of carrots in your garden, one thing in which you can do is cover your seeds at the time of planting. Obviously with soil, but you can use a secondary object like a board or a sheet of cardboard. What you want to do is go ahead and make your drills or your rows, plant them accordingly, the spacing the best you can, cover those over, and then take a 2x4 or some type of wood and cover over top of the rows. Or if you have a big sheet of ply or a cardboard, you can cover that and weight it down. Germination of carrot seeds take about 14 to 21 days. So when you get in that time frame, you want to be aware and look underneath the board to see if you see a bunch of white stringy things. If you do, that's the carrot seeds that have germinated. You want to remove the board and let them be for a couple of days. They will green up and get vertical. At that point, then you can take and snip out or thin out the carrots, preferably cutting so you're not disturbing roots of other carrots. By doing this method, you're holding the moisture into the soil next to the seed, which allows the seeds to germinate. And you'll increase your carrot harvest by 80% by doing this simple trick.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.